up, my crowns and tiaras? Welcome to EToxicTeaLounge, and I'm going to let y'all know who we have in the lounge today. Alright, but before we get started, everything in this video is allegedly, okay? And another thing, somebody was like, why do we gotta keep seeing your face in your videos? Because it's my video and I want to show my beautiful face. Anyway, we got CJ So Cool, Royalty, Latruth, Miss Latruth, Hazel E, Jaden Alexis, Jiggy, Chrisean and Blueface, Rico, and Mario. Alright, so let's get straight into this boiling tea. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright, CJ So Cool got some things he got to say about Royalty again. We're trying to expose her, alright? Now, this time, before last time, he said that she was dating her cousin for clout. This time, she's dating the plumber, alright? Yes, y'all remember this. An unknown man with a tatted arm was driving her, and she put that little I love emoji. Now she's in the car once again, letting everybody know she's out and about in that passenger seat. She also lets everybody know right here, she does a little peek with the guy next to her, but no face. What up, cuzzo? Now, she added the cousin, all right? Not sure if this is the cousin that, she's trying to be petty, like trying to say, all right, this is the cousin. Hey, cuzzo. He said kinfolk, all right? So he responds to her story, all right? Now, if y'all do not know, this is the cousin that she tagged, all right? We do not know if that's the cousin. Now, CJ So Cool said if she leaves her man for you, she'll do the same to you, okay? Also says the cousin be so lit, all right? We all know someone like this, throwing jabs at Royalty. Now, this is the plumber, all right? Now, remember when she went on and showed everybody that her bottom of the house was flooded or whatever? Plumber boy came, all right? Now, CJ So Cool says she came to my house with all that negativity I didn't want to participate in, and now she said I won't get to talk to my kids for a while, shaking my head. All because she's in a new relationship with the plumber, and she's barely around the twins anymore. It's sad because the last time I got to see my kids was only so she could record that drama clip for her video. And now that she has it, I can't see my kids anymore. She also says plumbers need love too. Shady. So this is the plumber guy. All right. Now, this is allegedly that she's dating the plumber. But look at CJ So Cool.
Yeah, so the person who paid for the trip.
You witch! So he out here with the real estate woman at the game, okay? This is another one. Summer Estates, all right? So he having fun with his little things. Now, also, she posted that CJ So Cool wish he could say he paid for this trip, all right? So she letting everybody know CJ So Cool is capped. I do not understand why he would say that if he didn't. I mean, allegedly he didn't. And also, he said kids should never be used as pawns in a breakup. Co-parenting takes real maturity. Am I right? Yes or no? And I agree. Yes, no kid should definitely be as pawns because it should be an equal thing. Like, everybody should want to be around their kids or wants to see have the parent involved in their life. Now, CJ So Cool, you out here trying to say she's dating a cousin, the plumber. She's just trying to, play her dating decisions, but you out here with everybody. Like, boy, relax. It seems like you're salty. I'm pretty sure you see a kid. She is not with you. So, yes, she's going to have time to, hang out or whatever the case may be. But that doesn't stop her from being a mom. Like, now, I'm going to let y'all know right now, Mrs. Latruth, Brianna, girl, you're becoming very annoying. You do not know what you want to do. Stay, leave, go, bow down. You don't know what you want to do. Now, she goes and says, I'm not interested in being with anyone, dating, etc. I just want to be single forever. This stuff was the hardest ever. I don't wish this pain on nobody. Okay, so basically she's claiming she's single and she's not dating anybody. But not too long ago, y'all, then she was just doing TikToks with her husband and kissing him. And they made that pathetic, uncomfortable video to the world to let everybody know about the situation that was going on with the DV and all the allegations, alleged abuse. Like, come on now. Girl, I know we all made bad decisions when it come to men. We stayed when we wasn't supposed to. But y'all are in the public's eye. Everybody's in your business because you put it out there. At least the ones that's not in the public eye can actually do the stuff on the low and leave when they want to leave. But there are some women out there that put everything on Facebook and Twitter and stuff. But me personally, you will never know who I'm dating, how many I was dating, who I'm screwing. You don't know none of that. If you do, you'll probably see a 1 or a 2, okay? And that's it. You're never going to know if we broke up, if we're having issues, because I'm not going to be broadcasting my every single relationship move on the line. Now, Hazel E, you another one that's becoming annoying, girl. You're doing too much online. I thought you was ready to leave him, about to file divorce papers and all this stuff. If y'all do not know what's going on, make sure y'all check my channel out because I definitely speak about her and Devon. All right, but she recently posted this, all right? In the car, I bought him, all right? You tried to warn me when he was in those trans woman's DMs talking about I thought Nikita Dragon was a girl. Girl, now she's trying to expose her husband for being allegedly on a down low or gay. This is like beneath low. Like, this is a low blow for her to keep coming online trying to expose this man when you're supposedly done. Now, listen to this. File the divorce papers. Stay offline. If you're trying to build a case on him, do that with the courts, not online. You're putting everybody in your business for one because are you going to go back or not? It seems like you're big mad. Are you really upset? Do you still want to be with him? Like, girl, make up your mind because at this point, you're being very annoying. But you know what? I'm going to talk about it because I spoke about it before, so I got to keep y'all updated for the ones that care, okay? Now, I said what I said. She's doing way too much, going back and forth with Diana about him and exposing her and doing all this stuff. Girl, sit down. Now, Blueface baby mother Jaden Alexis says, time to get selfish. Christmas going to be easy this year. Nobody getting nothing from me but the kids in Quincy. Trying to F with one person heavy will show you exactly why you need 7, okay? The situation be so little, but the principle be. Now, my thing is this, y'all. A lot of y'all don't like Jaden Alexis. Whatever the case may be, it is what it is. She's the baby mother. She's always going to be relevant. She's always going to be around. It really doesn't even matter. Just take it or leave it. Now, I don't know what she's trying to imply, but at least we know that Jaden Alexis only messed with Blueface because there has not been any rumors or allegations or all these guys that came out and talking about they messed with her. And Blueface even said this himself, how loyal she was. So we shall see. Now, Jiggy lately been online, very insinuating that, you know, she got fake people around. Now, she's also in Las Vegas, Nevada. Like, everybody is in Las Vegas. Like, Chrisean, everybody. A lot of y'all fake kicking for it. Look, I don't need to attach myself to nobody. Forever that girl alone. Y'all be so lost, running around like a chicken with their head cut off, all right? So she has been throwing subs online for a while, all right? Now, we're insinuating that her, Sadie, or Jaden Alexis probably have a fallout or something's going on. Or maybe she has something going on with another friends that we do not know about. But we shall see. Now, Chrisean Rock and Blueface is getting annoying and played out and old. I know a lot of y'all do not want to hear about them, but it's a lot of people that do want to keep updates on them and do want to hear about them. So here we go. All right, so y'all already know Chrisean and Blueface is doing whatever they're doing. Maybe they staying for their clout or whatever because it's a little bit, you know, distant with them. Like, it's just weird. Now, once again, Chrisean is unfollowed everybody and is only following Blueface, and Blueface unfollowed every single female and only followed Chrisean Rock as a female. He even unfollowed Jaden Alexis, okay? Now, this has been going on all the time. Now, I love all the females that's really speaking on their platforms and putting me their craft, creativity. I'm honored for real. I love, love, love it, all right? Chrisean said that, all right? Now, also, Blueface put, I'd rather be rich than famous. All right, exactly. Because you know the real famous one is Chrisean Rock because her name rings bells and your name only rings bells because you're with her in the drama. Like, it's weird. Where's your music? You got lost. You're lost, buddy. Go back to focusing on you. Stop following behind Chrisean Rock. Yeah, you rather be rich than famous. Now, y'all already know he didn't take too long to be in Las Vegas with Chrisean Rock. But anyways, I gotta speak on this, all right, because they're annoying, all right? They're very annoying. But y'all really think that I be wanting to talk about them? No, I do it because a lot of y'all want to hear about them, all right? And it is what it is. But we shall see how that goes in the show. Now, this is Rico. Y'all already know this is Chrisean little on a down low boo. He is also in Las Vegas, Nevada. Like, he is friends with her brother Mookie. We already know that, and they all been spotted out not too long ago. So y'all think that Rico and Chrisean Rock are still messing around on the low and he just know his place and Blueface got his little girls and they know their place and they're just accepting it at this point? Now, my boy Mario got some things that he wants to get off his chest, and this is what he put on his stories, all right? He says, I'm an extreme loner. Protect your peace unapologetically. They won't understand, but you don't owe an explanation. Okay. He also says, some people keep saying, oh, you feeling yourself since verses. Bro, I've been in my bag. People just keep attention now, and I'm grateful to have love and attention, but there is a difference. What I can tell you about me is I'm very international, and I know a lot about a little bit of everything that I don't speak about. Some people love me and then don't F with me, really behind closed doors. Some people love me out loud. He goes on and says, I don't feel human anymore. Lastly, I'm nowhere near my full potential, and I know this. I humbly accept the challenge of being greater. Now, I don't know what y'all talking about. Mario Ben had the vocals. He never fell off, and he just showed y'all on verses that he can do it without any type of auto-tune, any type of beat. He could go a cappella with it. Like, I respect Mario because I love his music. Like, he just brings that good, like, yes, that music that you just want to sit there and listen to his whole stuff. Stop hating on him. Y'all mad because the verses, the other ones didn't have the vocals? Like, y'all need to stop and sit down and appreciate his vocals. For real. Because a lot of people out here, they cannot do a cappella. They be sounding like dying cats and strangled birds. Like, I just can't with people for real, for real. Like, y'all don't appreciate somebody that really have vocals, but y'all out here praising people that have trash music and auto-tune throughout their whole music. Like, make it make sense. But anyways, I said what I said about everything, all right? Now, Mario, he's doing his thing. I love his music, and I will never stop listening to his music. So appreciate his tone, okay?
That's not what y'all talking about. Oh my God! Look how dumb. Look how many people still. Look how many people are still like. It's a shame. It's a shame. Let me tell y'all something, man. Y'all embarrassing, bro. Y'all are embarrassing. That's embarrassing. Y'all be reaching. Y'all be reaching. But look. Listen, I'm gonna tell y'all, man. I'm gonna let y'all know right now. Y'all reaching. And I could care less. Black Swamp! What's good, baby? How you doing? Listen. If you know the truth, it's all good. Y'all just be reaching. Don't be mad at the fact that I love. That's not, you know what I'm saying? And it's crazy. Y'all females. Y'all have gay best friends, but y'all come on the internet and use gay as an insult. So what are you saying about your gay best friends, bro? You know what I'm saying? It don't make sense. y'all want a story time so bad. But yet, not one of y'all gonna request in this box and talk. Not one of y'all. Not one of y'all gonna come up in this box. Anybody, I bet you anybody in this live that wanna talk is not gonna come in the request box. I guarantee it. 1,000%. I'm bald, y'all. I'm bald. Y'all got your answers. Y'all don't need answers. Y'all got answers. Y'all listen to one source, and y'all got answers. So there, y'all got answers. Y'all believe everything you see, everything you hear, you got it. Y'all got your answers. Y'all want answers? Y'all got them already. You can't ask for answers if you already got it. How's that calendar doing? Hey, it's almost time to use it. I got more. I got Queen, you're not about to like, now you're out of pocket. Where did you get that from? I'll say it on TikTok. It's no matter what I say. No matter what I say, y'all be like, oh, shouldn't have did it. If I say I use protection, y'all be like, oh, there's still a chance that you could still get somebody Virgo with that condom. If I say I did it wrong, you'll be like, well, why would you do that? Why don't you use protection? Y'all, you think I'm finna give y'all a story and answer y'all? When y'all just got your answer already locked in, I'm not gonna do that. Come on, y'all. Thank y'all. I've been on the internet for a good minute now. I think I know what I'm talking about. I got a question for y'all. What are y'all gonna say? What are y'all gonna say a few months from now? Are y'all gonna come in my? You gonna come in my live? You gonna come in my live and what y'all gonna say like when nothing happens? Nothing happens. Are y'all gonna come back in my live and switch up like? If nothing happens, are you gonna come back in my life? Y'all don't want to answer that? Answer that. Answer that. If nothing happens, when nothing happens, will you come back in my life? Or would you unfollow because it's not true? I'll just wait on that. I'll just wait on that moment. I just wait a few months. I'll take all y'all comments. Y'all boost up my algorithm up and shit. Go ahead, y'all. Boost up my algorithm on TikTok, Instagram. Cause y'all day relies on like that. You know what I'm saying? I go about my day. I keep my life private. It's the big mouths that be trying to say the most. I don't say shit. If y'all have noticed, I have not said shit to even start no shit. Also, say I was. Say, somehow I am, right? Why do y'all know? How do y'all know that I have a kid coming before I do? How is that possible? Why is that a thing? Damn, internet knows before me. That's kind of weird, I think. I don't know. If you think it's a thing, then y'all crazy. I gotta wait for viral for me to know. Like, damn. But how? Damn, you didn't tell me that. And then I respond, and everybody's like, "Oh no! You need to take this off the internet. Y'all need to take it off the internet. You need to, I need to take this off. You need to stop fighting stop denying. Look at this. One of these questions. Yo, y'all questions in here are crazy. And if y'all don't know the answer, y'all make up an answer. I'm out of it, y'all. I am out of it. And I ain't got no snacks. I might go out and get some snacks, y'all. Damn. Am I gonna post some more videos? Tomorrow. I'm back on it. Oh, nah, y'all, I'm definitely, I'm doing more traveling, bro. Definitely. More traveling, y'all. Next stop! Y'all won't even know where I'm at next stop. And I'm not telling you when I'm leaving. Oh, word? Say that. That's what's up. Next stop is snacks. Yo, I need some snacks. Come to LA? Oh, that's lit. I definitely should too.
Now let's get straight into the thoughts. Now, I do agree with CJ So Cool when it comes to the pawns, like the kids. Stop doing that, men and women, because men and women both do it, all right? It's played out and lame. But CJ So Cool sound like a little bit salty. Like, y'all don't think that he a little salty regarding royalty and her dating decisions? Why you all up in her business? Anyways, Mrs. Latruth annoying. She don't know what she want to do with her husband. We don't even know if she's getting a divorce. She never even finalized that. Hazel E says she about to get her divorce and all this stuff, but she online still acting like she care. Jaden Alexis said what she had to say. We already know she not going nowhere from Blueface. I hope that she start dating somebody soon. Jiggy clearly is having some friend issues. Chrisean Blueface annoying, but it is what it is. Rico the boo, let's see what happens, because everything in dark always comes to light, all right? And Mario, stop hating on him, all right? But anyways, let me know what y'all think about this. If y'all have any tea that y'all would like for me to discuss, go DM me at my Instagram, EToxicTeaLounge, and I got y'all, all right? So make sure y'all stay tuned for the next video. I love y'all. Toodaloo.